Hello everyone, welcome to Physio Panda. I am Dr. Sunil Bhatt. Today we will be talking about the use of adjuster gun for correcting the misalignment. Basically, I will be talking about the lumbar misalignment and the cervical misalignment. Again, it's very important before applying any manipulation, either manually or with the gun, that you assess it properly and identify the appropriate vertebra at fault. So now let's talk about two misalignments of lumbar spine. One is the rotational misalignment, wherein the vertebra has moved towards one side. That means one side transverse process is up. So what we are going to do is we apply the head of the adjuster gun over the transverse process of the vertebra which is rotated, the side whichever it is rotated, and we just give a thrust. This, when applied on the patient, as lumbar vertebra goes straight down, so you put it on the transverse process, okay, hold it and just apply it. You can apply it once or you can apply it 2-3 times. Now coming to the next misalignment, that is the posterior on the thoracic spine. What we are going to do is we put it on the transverse spinous process of the vertebra and just give a straight down thrust. Same way, applying on the patient, you have to put on the spinous process of that particular vertebra, hold it so that it does not slip, and just apply the thrust. Now coming on to the cervical spine. Cervical spine has a lateral translation fault. So identify whichever vertebra is at fault, palpate the vertebra, put the adjuster head. Here I am going to align the second cervical vertebra. The direction of force will be straight medially. So you just put your adjuster gun straight and give a thrust. So that is how you use the adjuster gun for correcting the spine.